How's everybody doing? Okay, so I'm going to do something a little bit different than I normally do here. I said to myself I would never do this. And I understand that most of my viewers are probably boomers like me. So they would think this is silly maybe, but there is an appeal to it. And I forgot what it is that's in this parcel that just came in the mail by Canada Post. And it might be some of the things that have been holding up the Glover Road diorama. So let's have a look and see. Okay, here we go. Forgive me for those that hate this, and all the best to those that love it. All right, first things first. We have the decals. Wow, I didn't know they were that big. Let's have a look at these. By my friends at Microscale. Okay, so remember I talked about the cold storage signage on the pink building, we'll call it. So either this long one or this taller one. I'll be using one of those. And then Valley Fruit. Wow, I didn't know it was that big. Just the recent building that I did, the pale yellow one, I was going to have Valley Fruit. Maybe I could use this one here, Valley Fruit employees only. That's pretty cool, eh? So, and I got the little numbers for the bays, the loading bays and stuff. And yeah, I like that. Okay. And next is, here's the Rick's Products Early Highway Overpass with Pier. And I'll show you why I picked up these. Because I didn't want to build these. Right? There's no point when you can buy for $16. I got 2 spans plus some round pillars, and it's just stuff that can go in the scratch builder box, right? There's some concrete I-beam there. So these are going to go along the top of the bridge. In fact, I have the bridge right here. I'll show you. Okay, so these are going to go like this. Okay. So I don't quite have enough length, and I'm not going to waste money on another package just to get another inch or two. So I'm just going to add a concrete slab down near the end against the backdrop. I can have a lamp standard there probably anyway. So that's why I got those. See? Looks just like the Burrard Bridge. Same style. Very 60s, 70s kind of. Okay. Next is, a couple things left. I'll save the card for last, and then I have right, a couple of minor things in here. I'll save the car for last because I want to compare something. Okay, so here's Nathan K5 air horn 5-chime kit. It's an actual kit, which I didn't think that it was, but I'm happy that it is now, because for the locomotive that I will be doing, that I don't want to let onto yet, is going to have a 5-chime horn, and the configuration may vary. It's nice that they give you that option. I can solder that up to have 3 facing one way or 2 the other, so that's pretty cool. And then these 12 or 20 pair of number 58 couplers, which I really like. Those I'll be replacing on my rolling stock. And last but not least, I picked up one of these. This is the ACF 4650 center flow hopper with the swoosh logo. That's a nice little car by Atlas. It's got the round hatches on the top. Here's one, a similar one, a CN version, but it differs too. And they're very close in terms of models, except the price on this one was about $14 more than this one. Why that is, I do not know, because they look the same cars, pretty similar cars actually. Except for this one has sort of a rain lip along here, and then this one's got 2 up here. But it's got the photo etch walkways, which I like. These are nice, these little hoppers. I like these. But I wanted a BNSF car, so I have one. Okay, so thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed that. These couplers get replaced with these. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day.